My name is O.T Bolts Odemayo. I'm an actor, entrepreneur. I do entertainment, community development, and tourism. I'm a wife. I got married to Prince Gbadebo Odemayo, and I'm a Christian. I was born to the family of 5. My late father, Prince Moses Oyegoke Oyeniyi. My mom, Evangelist Rebecca Oyegoke. I'm the first of the family. I'm easygoing. I like to mix with all and sundry. I'm a giver. I like to train and retrain. I do not keep a lot of friends. I don't have enemies either. You know, that's basically me. But that Femi, you are my paddy, sure you know. Well, I will give Ibrahim Chatta with no partial. Sure you know, I'll give Ibrahim Chatta. It's more versatile, but that Femi, is a great actor. You know, he's a born actor and he's in him. He's not acting just because he's a veteran. No, it's because he's an actor. Look at everything he has done in the industry. But you know, but that Ibrahim Chatta, you know, you want to turn Ibrahim Chatta to a schoolboy of 12 now, he can do it. Yeah, he can. He will put the effect on himself by himself. You want to portray him as an older man. You want to portray him as a Muslim, an Afa, a clergy, a pastor, a witch, whatever. You know, it's versatile. So this is why I'm giving it to Ibrahim Chatta. But that film is amazing. Like I said, every actor have their area of specialty. So, but Ibrahim,